Graph the following, then identify the domain and range. So in this one here, I'm going to start with using my h and my k value to find kind of my first points here, because for absolute value functions, we usually get this V shape, and I want to find the vertex of that. And in this one here, we have an h value, which shifts us 2 to the right. But our k value here is actually 0. And so when we are dealing with this, I'm going to say that my starting x value here is 2. My starting y value here is 0. And again, if you just plugged 2 into this equation, you'd see like 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 times negative 7/6, still 0. Now, this negative 7/6, that gives us kind of a hint. It's our a value, and it stretches our function vertically, but it also has a negative in front of it, which tells us that there's a reflection. So instead of a V shape, it's kind of going to be this upside down V shape. And to give me some other points, I'm actually going to use this as kind of like my slope. So my first point here was at 2, 0. Now I'm going to go down 7 and 6 to the right. So in this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have this point here at negative 7 and positive, sorry, that was wrong, positive 8 and negative 7. And then I'm going to go down 7 and to the left 6. So that gives me negative 4, negative 7. And then we should be able to draw our absolute value V here for that function. Now, the domain for any absolute value function is just negative infinity to positive infinity. Our range, however, in this one goes from negative infinity, because we see that it goes on forever downwards, negative infinity all the way up to 0, and it actually hits that point, so we give it a hard bracket.